It is difficult for institutions to keep track of experts due to the ever-evolving nature of research. Experts come and go, change paths, and often cannot be defined by a single area of expertise. This makes it impossible to fully understand the scope of an institution's inventory of expertise without a multidimensional system. This thought is what inspired the knowledge map. The map is composed of a knowledge graph of connections between institutional research activities, such as researchers, faculty, grants, patents, proposals, publications, courses, and more. This graph helps to answer complex questions about the institute. It can visualize organizations, allow a user to discover and build collaborative teams, find experts specific to the institution, and most importantly, show the big picture of research. Exploring the map allows a user to see the connections between experts, navigate clusters representing departments, and visualize the vast network of research done at the university. The Knowledge Map search tool allows a user to search for a specific expert or use keywords to find an expert, topic, grant, department, or funding agency. Overlays can be applied to visualize the big picture of a user's search. The expert matching system is a search engine composed of the same data as a knowledge map that allows users to enter blocks of text or keywords to find top-ranked experts related to their query. The K-map clusters are arranged so that the departments that most frequently collaborate are closest together. For example, computer science and mathematics. K-map was designed to have a similar experience to Google Maps, and therefore functions like drag, zoom in, and zoom out mimic Google Maps functions. Zoom into the base map to view the most active experts in each department. The size of the font of the researchers' names corresponds to the amount of research they have conducted. By clicking on a specific department, you'll be able to view the collaborations. The more connecting lines within a department, the more collaborative they are. Each profile shows all funding information alongside a list of the collaborators within that department. The width of the line between two researchers correlates to the amount of research that has been done between them. Green connections represent collaborations that produced a paper or other publications. Red connections represent collaborations on proposals that included a grant, and gray connections represent collaborations that produced a proposal only. To view all the works a collaborator has participated in, click on their name. To search for an expert by name, use the search bar in the top left corner of the screen. The lines between names represent experts that have collaborated on proposals. Click on the lines to learn more about these collaborations. Each collaborator's profile includes their titles, contact information, grants, and publications. The knowledge map tracks researchers' work and publications such as UA Vite's profile, Google Scholar, ORCID, ResearchGate, and others. This particular expert has their U of A Vite profile, Google Scholar, and ORCID profiles connected. External profiles such as ORCID may require the researcher to sync the profile themselves. Publications an expert has participated in can be seen in their profile. Publications are arranged by year. If there is a missing publication, a collaborator can log in using their net ID and add the information. Beneath the publications, all the grants that the collaborator has contributed to can be seen. To view the grant collaborations, click the grant name. Clicking the red tab will open the publication in a new tab. Clicking the Reset button will return the K-map to its basic state. Map overlays are one way to find information on the knowledge map. Think of overlays as filters that can show you works with different characteristics, such as amount of funding, number of citations, H-index, and funding agency. This allows a user to see a broader picture of the organization and hidden patterns, and helps to correlate multiple pieces of information. Overlays can be applied by using the icons in the bottom right-hand corner. The grants icon creates an overlay showing the monetary value of all the works funded by grants. The bigger the bubble, the more funding the project has received. A size reference can be found by clicking on the gray I icon. Historical trends of funding can be seen using the scale. To hide the overlay, click the icon again. The Citations icon creates a heat map showing the most important people in the university by measuring which citations have been cited the most by other works. Use the scale to see other works that were cited in specific time periods. The H-index icon shows the H-index of collaborators on the map. Multiple overlays can be applied at the same time, which can be helpful if you are looking for an expert or project that meets multiple criteria. Another way to show overlays is through the search bar. Use the search bar to find projects funded by a specific agency, such as the National Science Foundation, or NSF. Click the name under the Funding Agencies tab to apply an overlay showing all projects funded by this agency. The relative size of the bubble represents the amount of funding a collaborator has received from this agency. Clicking the bubble will show the name of the collaborator who has received the funding. Click the name of the collaborator to learn more about their work. If you think another type of overlay should be added to the map, please contact the KMAP team. If you know the name of the person you are searching for, simply type it into the search bar in the top left corner. As you type, the system will make suggestions in different categories, as seen in the drop-down bar. Once you find the name of the person you are looking for, click their name. This will reveal their profile. Another way to find an expert is by searching with keywords. This will show results organized by topic, department, funding agency, and grants. Shown below is a search result for the keyword liver disease. The system shows the most related experts to that search. The green bar on the left side of the profile photo represents the relatedness the expert has to the topic. The higher the bar, the more related to the topic the expert's work is. Another feature of the search is its ability to show results for a list of keywords. For example, I'm entering computer architecture, memory systems. Experts related to those words are shown. Entering the name of a department into the search bar will show the department. Scroll down in the department profile to view experts within that department. Similarly, entering the name of a grant will show the names of the experts involved. Finally, entering the name of a funding agency will show the names of the most associated experts. To explore a topic of research, type in a related keyword. Shown below is a search result for the keyword optics. The system makes suggestions based on the keyword, such as fiber optics. When a topic is selected, a list of related topics and collaborators who have work related to this topic appear. To search for a department, type its name into the search bar. Here, medicine was entered, and every department related to that keyword is shown under the department's header. Clicking on a department name will reveal the department profiles, including funding sources, top grants, and collaborators. Similarly, to search for a grant, enter a related keyword or keywords into the search bar. In this case, reading and assembling contextual and holistic mechanisms from text was entered. Under the grants header, all grants related to this search are shown. Clicking the name of a grant will reveal the names of collaborators involved on the grant. To search for a funding agency, enter a related keyword into the search bar. Under the funding agency header, all grants related to this agency will appear. Click the name of a funding agency to reveal the top grants associated with the agency. To access the profile of an expert, use the Knowledge Map search function. This is one example of an expert profile. An expert profile is created using information in the university system as well as information uploaded by the expert. The circular icons represent research profiles associated with the expert. Clicking them will open the profiles in a new tab. Additionally, the work an expert has participated in is shown. This includes their recent grants and publications. The details of the grants can be seen by clicking Show Details and then the magnifying glass. The details of publications can be seen by clicking on the red tab in the corner of the publication name. To view other experts who have worked with this person, click on one of the connecting lines between names. Each line represents collaborative work, and most experts have many connecting lines with experts from different departments. This is a great way to use an expert profile to find other experts. The purpose of the expert matching system is to direct you to experts whose work and interests match your search. This tool can be used to find experts interested in being part of a project, conference, or team. To access the expert matching system, either click on the expert matching page on the Knowledge Map homepage or from the map itself. This will direct you to a space where you can either enter keywords or blocks of text, such as a news article or the abstract of an event or paper. In this example, I am copying and pasting an abstract from a research article. Clicking People Search will display results. To edit a search, click the Edit Search button. Let's explore our results. On the left, the top expert matches to my search are shown. These names are ranked according to sources like publications, grants, course descriptions, biographies, research interests, CVs, and more. Clicking the name of an expert will redirect you to their profile. Clicking a funding agency icon will redirect you to the profile of that agency. In the right top-hand corner of the results page, you will see a network of matched experts. Collaboration is important, so seeing which experts are most collaborative in the field related to your search may help you find an expert matching your needs. The lines between names represent collaborations. The size of the bubble around the names represents their relative rank in the match list. Clicking the name of the expert will redirect you to their profile. Below the network, you can see the results filtered by college. The more experts within a college, the longer the bar. In this example, the most experts related to the search are found in the College of Medicine. Clicking on the college will show you the network of experts within that college. Results are also filtered by position. Similar to the colleges section, the longer the bar, the more experts within that position. Clicking the position will show you the network of experts within that position. Experts are included on the Knowledge Map if they are a University of Arizona employee or have done work associated with projects the university has either funded or contributed to. If you are an employee of the University of Arizona, you may be automatically added along with your publications. To access your account, go to the Knowledge Map homepage and log in with your NetID. This will bring you to the user dashboard. If you are not in the map, this is how you can add yourself. First, log in with your NetID from the Knowledge Map homepage. Then, follow the instructions on the page. Submit the minimal information about your research and send us publications or collaborative research work for the connections. Our team will process your request and add you to the map. Other information can be added from the user dashboard. To add a missing connection between experts, click Add Missing Connections. Fill in the information and our team will review it and add it to the map. To add future research, click Add My Future Research and fill in the form. Our team will process your request and add the new information to the map. If you have an existing profile, but not all your work is on the map, first make sure you have added all your publications and UA Vitae. You can also connect your ORCID profile from the dashboard. To do this, click Import/Connect ORCID. Then click on the Click Here to proceed. This will redirect you to a page where you can log in using your ORCID ID and password. Once you have logged in, click the Sync with Institution tab. To learn more about the University of Arizona Knowledge Map, watch our other videos. To access the Knowledge Map, click the link in the description.